I like Eid because you get to celebrate with your family.
I like Eid because you can celebrate with people that you love a lot and just like friends and family.
I had a friend in reception and she had an Eid party with me.
I like the Eid food, and also our school has holidays for Eid and other schools don't have days off for Eid.
That makes us feel cared about. And I think the best thing is meeting our families and friends.
Gifts are one of the most important things. You can get money, toys, and you can give money to charity and give toys to charities.
I like to give stuff away.
You get dressed nice and you get to spend time with your family and you get to go out in places.
I like going out and seeing family, like how other people do it in Christmas.
Why do we celebrate Eid?
We celebrate Eid because Prophet Muhammad got the Quran in his head.
And why else do we celebrate Eid?
Because it's after Ramadan.
I'm a Catholic Christian and I don't celebrate Eid at home, but it's fun to celebrate and learn a new religion and celebrate Eid with my friends here.
I don't really celebrate Eid at home, but I've got a lot of family that are Muslim. They celebrate a lot, and I love going to the house because they make loads of food and we just dance to music and everything. And that's why I really love the Eid celebration that we have in school, because it just reminds me of me dancing with my family and me having loads of fun.
We had Eid pies.
Bread from gardens.
The food was delicious. We had an Eid fashion show. It was lots of fun.
We saw clothes from our cultures. We had a community event. All families were welcome.
So there were food and pizza and stuff. And also face painting. A lot of family activities together.
And also there was wonderful ladies that did like patterns in our hand. The music was great and we could take pictures with our family.
We all had fun activities to do with family and friends, and it doesn't matter who you are, where you came from, we all had fun as a Bolingbag community. Eid Mubarak.